My name is Kira Couch. I work for McGarrah Jessee. It is an advertising agency in Austin, Texas, and I am an accounting manager there. The company I work for has been using Workamajig since 2009, so almost 10 years. And I started working there about 5 years ago, and so that was my first experience with Workamajig. When I first began my position, I had a couple of coworkers sit down with me and walk through their processes and how the system worked for those specific duties. And then the rest of it has just been me learning the system by myself, just exploring and looking at the help guides, sometimes contacting Workamajig support, asking other people. So it's been just my effort learning the system. I would. Yes, there is so much functionality, and especially being here at Workamajig, I think I realize now just how customizable it is, and so it really fits what you need, and all you have to do is just contact the team and really sit down and work out your needs. No company is the same, and especially in the advertising agency, things have changed so quickly. Just over a short period of time. I know for my company, when I started, we were about 90 employees. We're now 160, and our processes and our needs have changed extremely since then. But in all that, I've just realized how much more we can utilize Workamajig. Every company every now and then has to go through all of their programs and see if it's really helping them or whether they need to update to a different system. And for us, it's just mainly been, we just need to figure out how to use Workamajig differently. There's really no other system out there like it.